P, Q and R enter into a partnership. P advances 1/4 of the capital for 1/4 of the time. Q contributes 1/5 of the capital for half of the time. R contributes the remaining capital for the whole time. How should they divide a profit of 2280? Now let's assume that total investment here is X and total time period here is T. Alright. So P's investment here will be P advances 1/4 of the capital. So P advances 1/4 of this total capital, which is X, for 1/4 of the time. Now Q's investment here will be Q contributes 1/5 of the capital for half of the time. Q contributes 1/5 of the capital, which is X, for half of the time. So 1/2, half of the time. Right. Now R's investment here will be R contributes the remaining capital. So what will be the remaining capital here? Remaining capital here will be total capital, which is X, minus 1/4 of the capital which is invested by P, and minus 1/5 of the capital which is invested by Q. So the remaining that we get here is LCM will be 20. Now 20 minus 4 5s are minus 5, minus 5 4s are 4. So we get the remaining capital, which is 11 by 20x. So R invests the remaining capital, which is 11 by 20x for the whole time. So for the entire period of T. How should they divide the profit of 2280? Now profit will be divided among P, Q and R on the basis of their investment and the time period of their investment. Alright. So the ratio that we get here is, the ratio of P, Q and R that we get here is, let's first get rid of this X over here and T as well. So we get 1 by 16 is to 1 by 10 is to 11 by 20. Now this can be simplified with 2. So 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, and 2 10s are. Now let's multiply all these three with 40. 40 because the LCM of 8, 5 and 10 will be 40, and we are multiplying this with 40 to get rid of the denominator. So let's multiply the entire thing with 40. So we get 8 5s are 40, 5 8s are 40, and okay, so 10 4s are 40. So we get 5 1s are 5 is to 8 1s are 8 is to 4 into 4 into 11 will be 44. So profit will be distributed among P, Q and R in the ratio 5 is to 8 is to 44. Now let's calculate what will P get. P will get 5 parts out of the total. 44 plus 8 will be 52, 52 plus 5 will be 57. So P will get 5 parts out of the total 57 parts from this 2280. Alright, and this will be equals to, this is 3 1s are and 3 9s are 27. This is 3 7s are 21 and 3 6s are 18 0, and this will be 19 1s are 19 4s are. So we get 5 into 40 will be 200. So P will get 200. Now let's calculate for Q. Q will get 8 parts out of the total 57 parts from this 2280, and we know that 57 cuts this 2280 with 40, and 40 into 8 here is 320. Similarly, let's calculate for R. R will get 44 parts out of the total 57 parts from this 2280. We know that 57 cuts this with 40, so we get 4 4s are 16, 17. So 1760 is the amount that will get that the R will get. Alright, so P will get 200, Q will get 320, and R will get 1760. That is what we are asked, right? How should they divide the profit? So we should be dividing this in 200, 320 and 1760. So here option B is the correct one.